Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to fix emoji display now. First, update Instagram and your device OS because mismatched fonts cause missing emojis. Then check which keyboard or emoji app is active. Third-party keyboards can strip emoji sets. Once done, force close Instagram and clear cache on Android, or restart your iPhone to reload system fonts. These steps remove common conflicts quickly. They're the foundation. If an update still fails, proceed to deeper checks in the next slide. Now dive deeper. Reinstall Instagram to ensure app resources aren't corrupted and grant permissions again. This often restores emoji handling. Switch back to the default system keyboard and test emojis in a neutral app like Notes to isolate Instagram versus system problems. Also inspect language, region, and accessibility font settings because regional emoji variants or font scaling can break rendering. If emojis show elsewhere but not in Instagram, you've isolated the app. Keep going for final corrective steps and a troubleshooting tip. Finish by applying targeted fixes. If your platform supports official emoji font packs, install the vendor-provided pack. Avoid untrusted APKs which create new issues. If reinstalling doesn't work, file a bug report from Instagram's Help Report a Problem with screenshots, Android/iOS version, and steps to reproduce so they can patch it. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to clear persistent font corruption. If problems persist after reset, contact device support because hardware ROM issues may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.